For this project you will need some fabric and the pattern. The link with the pattern I'm gonna attach in the description box below. This is our front and I would like my black scallop to be in the middle. Exactly this way. You see, it's in the middle of the pattern. So I place it here. And then we have our gusset. You need to outline two elements, one on the lining fabric. So basically you place the pattern here and outline everything around, and one element we will need to outline on our lace fabric. In this place I want my pink scallop to be in the middle, so I'm placing pattern this way, but I'm not gonna cut it here, I'm gonna keep the scallops in this place. Later in this video I'm gonna show you how to attach it properly. This is our back, and don't forget to fold your fabric. Me, I'll outline this on the spandex mesh. Next step, when you finish to outline, cut all your elements out. After the cutting, next step will be to group all these elements together. I'm gonna walk you through each of the steps, and they're all very important if you want really to achieve a great result. So I'm taking my gusset on the lace and back of the panties and place these two elements face to face on top of each other. Then take a gusset on the lining fabric, and here I have a cross to help myself to see where I have a top. And I place this on top. This way attach everything with the needles. You need to roll the back of the panties exactly the same way like I'm doing here. Then we need to grab our top of the panties. You see, here we have a right side, and here on the gusset is our right side. Basically, we need to place right side to the right side, or face to face. We roll this as well and take our lining fabric and put this on top. Then this place you need to line up together and attach with the needles. When you finish to do this, go to your sewing machine or overlocker, sew here and here. Don't touch the top. Only these two places. This is what we have so far, and on our next step I'm gonna show you how to attach the gusset in very clean way. So when you finish your project, your panty will look even better than whatever you can buy in the shop. Here's my right side. And also if you have some threads right left, just do small cleanup. And this is what we have inside. So this is our wrong side and this is our right side. I take the lace and I put this on top, but make sure that this seam you see here, it goes inside exactly the same way like you see me doing here, and attach this place with the needles. So I'm gonna put one here and I'm gonna put another on another side. Make sure that everything is straight, following, the line, that everything is just tip-top. Okay, this is what we have. You see, this seam is covered by our scallops. Now we need to take the elastic. I'm gonna use this elastic with small scallops on top. And we need to attach it here and here on both sides. And also in the back of our panties, we will need to attach it here and here. On the right side of the fabric, place the elastic. And by the way, elastic also has two sides, right one and wrong one. We need to place this right side to the right side, or face to face, and sew here. Then we need, when you finish to sew, to fold it this way and sew one more time again. I'm gonna show you much more closer how to do it on the sewing machine. When you finish your first sewing, just fold this elastic this way and sew one more time. Next step is to attach the elastic on the side, here, as well on another side, and on top. But it's a little bit different way, so grab the elastic and place it here, but keep some free space, because we will need to attach our rings. So we go from the beginning until the end, and we keep free space of the elastic to 3 centimeters, I'll say, as well. So we keep it here, and here, and here, basically everywhere where you attach the elastic. On this side, on another, and on top. But on top, it's a little bit different way how to attach the elastic. So I'm gonna use exactly the same elastic. This is the elastic, and I'm gonna place this in the middle, keeping space on one side, you see, here, and the same I'm gonna keep on another side. This is for our rings. And I'm not gonna fold this, I'm just gonna sew it one time only. By the way, when you sew, you don't stretch the fabric, you stretch a little bit, only the elastic. Because if you don't do this, your panties will be kind of a little bit wavy. It still will be perfectly wearable, but it will not look as good as you would like to when you finish your result. So don't forget when you sew to stretch a little bit the elastic. This is the front of the panties. This is our right side and this is our wrong side. So on the wrong side of the fabric, you need to place the elastic. So this is my elastic and I put scallops on top. You can put it down, it doesn't really matter. I keep my free space of the elastic for my future straps and I place this under the sewing machine foot. And I just sew normally with the settings you see on the screen up to the end. Also, don't forget to stretch a little bit the elastic, but not the fabric. Make sure to come as much closer to the border with the scallops as you can. This is what I have from the right side, and this is what I have from the wrong side, so you need to have exactly the same. On the next step, I'm gonna show you how to attach the straps on our leftover or free space, you can call it also this way, of the elastic. So we grab our straps. How to make them you can find on our tutorial. I'll attach a link in the description below. So you see here 17 centimeters, but I will strongly recommend you to measure yourself before, so to make sure that size is perfectly matching you. So take the strap, and one is going here, and another next to it, and two on another side. So you see how it should go. Now you need to attach everything with the needles. So grab the strap, put the elastic inside, and attach this place with the needles, exactly like you see me doing here. Now you need to go to your sewing machine and sew everywhere where you have your needles. When you start to sew, make sure that there is no any metal object under your needle. When you come to the end, just press the reverse button and sew it back. The next step is very important. On this step depends how your undies will look like, professional or amateur. This step is cleanup. You see all this small elastic left over? You need to grab your scissor, cut this off, and then grab the lighter and burn this place just a little bit so it doesn't irritate your skin. Small notice, you also can use the fold over elastic if you don't have the elastic with the scallops. It will look this way. So also you see here we have a lace. You can do exactly the same, just grab the lace, sew your panties basically as usual, then place on top the lace, sew everything around, and then grab the scissor and cut, as you see here, the main fabric around your seam, and you will have this kind of look of the panties. Next step is to give your undies a professional touch. It looks like it's not important, but believe me, it makes a difference. And how to do it you can find out on our next video, where I'll show you how to make a perfect underwear bow.